In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Google Docs using your PC. This process is simple and doesn't require any special software beyond what you already have in your Google Workspace toolkit. First, you'll need to fire up your web browser and head over to Google Drive. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see a big plus sign labeled New on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this opens a menu with several options. Among these, you'll want to select Google Docs. This is where we're going to insert and edit our image. Now that you've got a blank document open, move your cursor to the spot where you want to insert the image. Positioning your cursor correctly will ensure the image ends up exactly where you want it. Once you've done that, go to the top of the screen and click on the Insert menu. This will prompt a drop-down menu. It's where you'll find all sorts of insertable items beyond just images. You'll then click on Upload from Computer from the list. This option allows you to pull in a specific image file directly from your PC. Navigate through your file explorer to locate the image you want and double-click it to insert it into your document. Once the image is in your document, click on it to select it. You'll notice that border handles appear around the image. These handles are your friends for resizing your image to better fit your layout. You can simply click and drag a corner to adjust the size, but resizing isn't the whole story. We're here to crop. So double click on your image. This action will open the crop tool. You'll see a darker outline around your image, and you can drag this outline to select exactly what part of the image you'd like to keep. Everything outside this darker outline will be removed once you confirm your selection. To move your image around during cropping, simply click and hold the image while moving it sideways, upwards, or downwards, making sure you focus precisely on the segment you wish to highlight. Once you're happy with the crop area, hit Enter to finalize the cropping. If you want some additional tweaks like size adjustments or rotations post-cropping, click on the image again and go to Size and Rotation under your image options. Play around with different settings to suit your preferences. As soon as you've put on these finishing touches, your cropped image will be perfectly integrated into your document. And there you have it, a nicely cropped image in your Google Docs with ease, ready for whatever creative venture you're working on. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your image cropping needs in Google Docs.